Crop protection management. When we look around the field, we find that crops are infested by a large number of weeds, insect pests, and diseases. If weeds and pests are not controlled at the appropriate time, then they can damage the crops so much that most of the crop is lost. Weeds are unwanted plants in the cultivated field and compete for food, space, and light. Example: Xanthium, Gokru; Parthenium, Gajar Ghas; Cyprinus rotundus, Motha. Weeds take up nutrients and reduce the growth of the crop. Therefore, removal of weeds from cultivated fields during the early stages of crop growth is essential for a good harvest. Generally, insects and pests attack the plants in three ways. They cut the root, stem, and leaf. They suck the cell sap from various parts of the plant, or they bore into stem and fruit. They thus affect the health of the crop and reduce yields. Diseases in plants are caused by pathogens such as bacteria, fungi, and viruses, which can be present in and transmitted through the soil, water, and air. Weeds, insects, and diseases can be controlled by various methods. One of the most common methods is the use of pesticides, which include herbicides, insecticides, and fungicides, and are sprayed on crop plants or used for treating seeds and soil. As we all know that excessive use of these chemicals creates problem, since they can be poisonous to many plant and animal species and cause environmental pollution. Weed control methods also include mechanical removal. You should also know that weed control can also be done by proper seed bed preparation, timely sowing of crops, intercropping and crop rotation, or using resistant varieties or deep plowing during summer.